was trends for last Halloween was half of the face done as a skeleton, half the face done as a beauty makeup.
Okay.
Let's do this with a little bit of a twist.
Yeah.
How about I do the skull
Okay.
and you do the beauty makeup?
Yeah, I think that
Sound good?
would be the best way around.
Right, start with some eyes. Cream liner. Something nice and solid. And then just paint that over the whole of the eyelid. And soften before it actually sets.
Okay.
Just on the top. That's my little tip. That's about right. Now let's get underneath them. We need a low black line. And blend that really low, almost circular. What do they say? Go big or go home?
We ain't going home.
We ain't going home. Now, we need a little bit of mascara, just to finish it off. I'm gonna get you to pop the mascara on both lashes. Do that nice and thick. Give the brows a nice little bit of definition for me.
Okay.
We need a lip on one half. This is gonna be quite tricky. So just one half. I've chosen this really beautiful colour called Sin. It's like a black and red.
Sin, that's perfect.
This is gonna be very, very nice.
Very Halloween-y.
Let's finish it off with a little bit of pencil. The darker the pencil, the better, but I don't want to go quite black. That's got it. It's looking great. A little tiny bit of contour. Don't go too crazy with this. That's probably about enough.
There.
Yep.
Hollows.
Yeah, contour how you would normally contour. So the first thing we're going to do is the mouth, because then that will help bring everything into line. So I'm just going to get a black line and I am going to soften that. Then we are going to do the bone here, and then this we're going to fill in black. I'm going to paint the foundation on this time using a small foundation brush and not too close to the black. Take that onto the lip as well, just to pale that lip down. Matte white eyeshadow, just to highlight and create more of a prominent bone. So if you want it stronger, just press. If you want it softer, then sweep. Right, we've got one thing we need to do. Skull would not be a skull without the nose on. Just scribble that on with the black pencil. Now, in order to make that more effective, you really need to get in and around the nose. We want our first white tooth around here. Make that nice and big. And then the bottom teeth, which I always find harder because they're a different size and a different shape. They tend to be sort of like longer, skinnier, like little pegs. And then we can go in with our black pencil, give it a nice sharpen, because we do want a nice fine line with this. If you prefer, you could go in with like a liquid liner. Rest my little finger on there, and then just sketch, lightly sketch these teeth on. A little line down in between each tooth, and then we'll just soften some of these, not all of them, just with a little tiny brush. Then we need to go in with a little bit of liquid liner, just to give the teeth a little bit of detail. And then we can start to add a few cracks and stuff in here as well, because I always think that makes a nice little finish off to the skull. And a little one on the chin, maybe.
Wow, that looks amazing.
So I'm going to go in with a really beautiful purpley pink frost eyeshadow. We want to see that glam element coming into play.
Oh, wow.
How cool is that?
Kind of iridescent.
Yep. And let's do a little bit on that nose as well. Do you want to circle around your eye forming, then we can actually add a little bit of synergy between the two. Yeah, so it's just on the edge of the black. I think it looks great. I mean, you can't overdo this. Tiny, tiny little brush, just to edge, as I said before, just some of these teeth, not all of them. So while this looks nice, it does need a little bit of something else.
Let's Vogue it up.
Let's Vogue it up. Spray a little bit of the Fix Plus. Nothing's going to move. And you will see that
Wow.
start to bling.
This is where the glam comes in.
This is where the glam comes in. What do we think?
I love it. It's terrifying. I love it.
Terrifyingly beautiful.